Before we know it, we'll be hosting lots of friends and family for the holiday season. And if it's your first time hosting, you definitely want your home to be inviting, which starts on the outside. Our home's exterior is viewed more often than we realize, especially in the fall and winter, with trick-or-treaters and neighbors admiring your holiday lights. So here's some simple ways to add curb appeal to your home this fall. I recommend starting big. Garage doors take up a large portion of our home's exterior, and updating your garage door with one from the Overhead Door brand will make your home look drastically different with just one change. If you've never bought a new garage door before, it's easy. Just head over to overheaddoor.com to see their full range of garage doors, which are all assembled in the USA. The Overhead Door brand is one of the most trusted brands for garage doors and garage door openers in North America. And with a dedicated network of more than 400 overhead door distributors, you'll always receive superior service and the expertise you're looking for. Plus, no matter your home's style, there's a garage door that will complement it. Let's take a look at a couple favorites. The Overhead Door Courtyard Collection resembles classic traditional carriage house wood designs, but are made with durable steel. The Overhead Door Envy all-glass garage door is acclaimed by architects and will allow plenty of daylight to enter during these darker winter months. The seamless design is one of the most intriguing products on the market. And as the weather turns colder, many of these garage doors will provide insulating benefits to your home. But if you're looking for premium insulated garage doors, check out the Thermocore collection. Now, I should mention, you might find several garage doors that suit your home, so to better visualize your favorites as well as customize them with a variety of colors, windows, and decorative hardware, download the Door View Visualizer tool. You'll be able to use an actual image of your home's exterior to accurately envision hundreds of garage door designs. So make sure to download the Overhead Door Door View app for free from the Apple App Store and Google Play. And I've got a few other small ways to add curb appeal. How about a new mailbox or add some pathway lighting and planters? They can really help, but remember that none of those provide as high a return on investment like a new garage door. Installing an updated garage door will not only enhance the curb appeal of your home this fall, but it's also a smart investment. According to the 2018 Cost versus Value report by Remodeling Magazine, the return on investment of garage door replacements is 98% on average, making it more than double the return of other popular remodeling projects. And with the weather cooling down, this is the perfect time of year to change out your door. So enjoy making your home more appealing and visit overheaddoor.com for a fresh new look.